This is the Precalculus 2015, Fall 2015 ACP Study Guide. This is problem 17. A police helicopter is monitoring two cars that are 1,100 feet apart. If the angles between the helicopter and the cars are as shown, how much closer is the helicopter to car A than to car B? And we have these angles of 39 degrees here at A, angle B, we call, say that's 31 degrees. And we're trying to find out these two distances here, and we'll call these distances side B over here to the left and side A to the right. And so basically we know that B is going to be shorter than A just based on the geometry of the drawing. And so the question is, what is side B minus side A? So we're going to go ahead and investigate. For this, we'd have to use law of sines or cosines. And law of sines involves having an angle opposite a side. Now we don't have this angle here near the helicopter, but we have the side opposite. We can find that angle because we know that this angle, which we'll call angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus angle A, which is 39 degrees, minus angle B, which is 31 degrees. And so that's going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 39 plus 30, 39 plus 31 is minus 70. So that's going to be 110 degrees. So C equals 110 degrees. And so we can use our ratio, or law of sines, to figure out these other sides. And unfortunately, we're going to have to find out each one of these sides, because to find the answer, we need both these other sides. And so the side length B is to the sine of angle B, which is sine of 31 degrees, as the side length C, which is 1,100 feet, is to the sine of 110 degrees. And so just kind of isolating B, we have B is equal to, cross multiplying that sine of 31 degrees, so 1,100 sine of 31 degrees over the sine of 110 degrees. So let's go ahead and get to our calculator. We have B equals 1,100 times the sine of 31 degrees over the sine of 110 degrees. And we get this distance here. We'd say 602.9 feet. Let's say 603 feet. So we say the side here, B, is approximately equal to 603 feet. Okay, now we're going to go to side A, and side A is to the sine of 39 degrees, as 1,100 feet is to the sine of 110 degrees. And it's the same as that problem above. We have, our answer is going to be A is equal to 1,100 times the sine of 39 degrees over the sine of 110 degrees. And we go to calculator again and get our division here. We have 11 100 times the sine of 39 degrees over the sine of 110 degrees. Everything looks good there. We get 730, round to the nearest foot, 737 feet. So A is approximately to 737 feet. Well, we want to find B minus A. Well, that's going to be we're going to need to have A minus B, right? So A minus B is equal to 739 minus 603. And if we work that out, we're going to get 136. Is that right? Let me see here. We get to the nearest tenth. Let's look at their figures here. Yeah, 737 minus 603. 737 minus 603. Let's do that. See if that makes a difference. So that's going to be 134 feet, right? Yeah, that looks better. So that's going to be our closest to the nearest foot. So our answer is going to be B. So anyway, good luck on these other supplementary problems, 17A and 17B. And thanks for viewing.